What if I told you that most engines are murdered, not broken? That's right, 85% of engine failures happen because owners ignore 8 simple monthly checks that take less time than scrolling through social media. I'm talking about engines that could easily hit 400,000 miles, dying tragic deaths at 120,000 because nobody taught their owners these survival secrets. I've been wrenching for over 2 decades, and I've watched thousands of perfectly good engines get sentenced to the scrapyard when 15 minutes of monthly attention could have saved them. Today, I'm sharing the exact system that's kept my personal 2008 Toyota purring at 380,000 miles without a single major repair. Hit that subscribe button because you're about to discover why your engine's worst enemy isn't wear and tear, it's neglect. And I'm going to show you exactly how to fight back. Your engine's lifeline, the oil detective work. Let's start with the most critical 5 minutes of your engine's monthly survival. You think you're just checking oil, but you're actually performing CSI-level forensics that can predict your engine's future. Most people pull that dipstick, glance at the level, and call it good. That's like checking your pulse, but ignoring whether you're breathing. Here's what separates engine survivors from engine killers. You need to read that oil like a medical chart. Fresh oil flows like liquid gold and has that beautiful amber shimmer. But your dipstick is telling a much deeper story if you know how to listen. Smell your oil. I'm dead serious about this. Quality oil has almost no scent. Catch a metallic smell? That's microscopic metal particles from internal wear grinding away at your engine's life. Sweet odor? Coolant is leaking into your oil, which means head gasket problems are brewing. Burnt smell? Your oil has been cooking itself to death and your engine is running on liquid sandpaper. I once diagnosed a customer's head gasket just by smelling his dipstick. Saved him from a catastrophic meltdown that would have cost him $6 grand. The early intervention repair? $180. That's the power of paying attention to what your engine is telling you. The technique matters as much as the observation. Always check when the engine's been off for at least 10 minutes. Wipe that stick completely clean, slide it all the way down, then pull for your reading. That level needs to sit comfortably between minimum and maximum. Running even half a quart low doubles your engine's wear rate because parts start kissing metal instead of floating on that protective oil film. The temperature guardian protocol. Your engine operates in a thermal war zone that would melt most metals. We're talking about combustion events hitting 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, happening 20 times per second in each cylinder. Your cooling system isn't just keeping things comfortable, it's preventing a nuclear meltdown under your hood. With the engine stone cold, locate your coolant expansion tank. This isn't just about checking levels. You're gathering intelligence about your engine's internal health. That fluid should sit between the minimum and maximum marks, but here's where you become a cooling system detective. The color tells everything. Factory coolant comes in specific shades, bright green, orange, or pink depending on your vehicle. If it looks like chocolate milk, you've got oil contamination from a blown head gasket. Rusty brown water means your system is eating itself from the inside out. Oily film floating on top? Your engine is mixing fluids that should never meet. I had a customer ignore brown coolant for 6 months because it still seemed to work fine. When she finally rolled into my bay, her engine had cooked itself so badly the cylinder heads warped like potato chips. Total loss. A $15 coolant flush could have prevented a $7,000 engine replacement. Take your flashlight and peek at those radiator fins from the front of your car. If they're packed with bugs, leaves, and road debris, your cooling efficiency drops by 30% or more. A quick garden hose rinse keeps those heat exchangers working at maximum capacity. The breathing system analysis. Think of your engine as an Olympic sprinter who needs perfect breathing to perform. Every combustion cycle requires precise air-to-fuel ratios, and when you choke off that air supply, you're literally suffocating your engine while forcing it to work 3 times harder to produce the same power. Pop open that air box and pull out your air filter. Hold it up to bright light. If you can't see daylight streaming through clearly, your engine can't breathe through it either. A dirty air filter doesn't just reduce power by 15%, it forces your fuel system to run rich, washing gasoline down cylinder walls and contaminating your oil. But here's the advanced move that separates pros from amateurs. While that airbox is open, inspect your mass airflow sensor. It's usually a small electronic component sitting right in the intake path with delicate wire elements. If it's dusty or oily, it can't accurately measure airflow, so your engine's computer starts guessing about fuel delivery. Clean it with MAF-specific cleaner and never touch those wires with your fingers. Don't forget your throttle body, your engine's main breathing valve. Over time, carbon builds up around that throttle plate, causing rough idle and poor fuel economy. A little throttle body cleaner and a clean rag removes the buildup that's choking your engine's performance. The electrical lifeline inspection. Modern engines are basically rolling computers with explosions happening inside. Every sensor, every fuel injector, every ignition coil depends on clean electrical connections. Dirty connections create resistance, and resistance is voltage cancer that makes your entire engine management system work overtime while delivering inconsistent performance. Your battery terminals are the foundation of your electrical empire. White, crusty buildup, green corrosion, or loose clamps create resistance that steal 40% of your available voltage. That means weak spark, sluggish fuel pumps, and confused sensors sending garbage data to your engine's brain. Here's the professional technique. Disconnect negative first, then positive. Clean everything with a wire brush and baking soda solution until metal shines, then reconnect positive first, negative last. Tight connections prevent the voltage drops that cause mysterious misfires, sensor failures, and charging system drama. I don't stop at the battery. Those ground straps connecting your engine to the chassis complete the electrical circuit for everything. I once spent 3 hours diagnosing a customer's random stalling issue that turned out to be a loose ground strap causing the computer to randomly reset. 30 seconds of tightening fixed what looked like a $1,200 computer replacement. Clean those grounds, tighten them properly, and coat with dielectric grease. Your engine's computer will reward you with flawless operation for years to come. The ignition system power check. Every combustion event requires an electrical explosion powerful enough to ignite compressed fuel and air mixture. Weak spark doesn't just mean poor performance, it means unburned fuel washing down cylinder walls, destroying piston rings, and turning your oil into contaminated sludge. If you've got traditional spark plug wires, run your hands along them checking for cracks, brittleness, or spots where they're rubbing hot engine parts. Here's a diagnostic trick most people never learn. On a dark evening, mist your plug wires with a spray bottle while the engine runs. Any tiny sparks dancing around the wires means you're losing precious ignition energy to ground instead of firing your cylinders properly. For coil-on plug systems, pull those rubber boots and inspect for carbon tracking, those little black lightning patterns showing electricity is arcing where it shouldn't. Dry, cracked boots let moisture infiltrate your coils, creating misfires that damage catalytic converters and waste fuel. I had a customer complaining about terrible gas mileage and rough running. His plug wires were so deteriorated, they were creating a lightning show against the valve cover. New wires transformed that stuttering engine into a smooth powerhouse that gained 4 miles per gallon overnight. The fuel system detox protocol. Your fuel injection system operates at pressures exceeding 60 pounds per square inch, delivering precisely measured fuel droplets thousands of times per minute. When injectors get clogged with deposits and varnish, that surgical precision turns into sloppy fuel delivery that wastes gas, kills power, and accelerates internal engine wear. Once monthly, add high-quality fuel system cleaner to your tank before filling up. This isn't about grabbing the cheapest bottle. Invest in proven cleaners that actually dissolve carbon deposits and varnish buildup. Think of it as artery cleaning for your fuel system. Stick with top-tier gasoline whenever possible. These fuels contain higher concentrations of detergent additives that help keep your system clean between treatments. It's preventative medicine that costs the same as regular gas, but provides built-in protection. Here's what most people miss. Dirty injectors don't just reduce power, they create uneven fuel distribution between cylinders. That imbalance stresses engine mounts, creates vibrations, and can destroy your catalytic converter with unburned fuel. I pulled injectors from a neglected engine that were so clogged, they barely sprayed at all. The engine sounded like it had a dead cylinder because essentially it did. One professional cleaning session later, it was purring like new. Clean fuel delivery isn't optional, it's survival. The diagnostic intelligence scan. Your car's computer monitors dozens of sensors and performance parameters continuously, storing fault codes long before problems become obvious. Waiting for the check engine light is like waiting for chest pains before checking your heart health. You're already in trouble. A basic OBD2 scanner costs less than $30 and can save you thousands in prevented repairs. Plug it under your dashboard, turn the key to on without starting, and read your engine's memory bank. Here's what separates amateur diagnostics from professional-level intelligence. Don't just look for active trouble codes. Check pending codes, freeze frame data, and readiness monitors. These reveal problems developing before they trigger warning lights. Pay attention to fuel trims, oxygen sensor readings, and misfire counters. Fuel trims consistently above positive 10% or below negative 10% indicate air delivery or fuel injection problems brew. Rising misfire counts mean ignition or compression issues are building toward failure. Which of these monthly rituals surprised you most? Drop a comment and share your highest mileage vehicle story. If this system helps you catch a problem early, I want to hear about it because preventative success stories inspire other drivers to take control of their automotive destiny. Subscribe for more engine survival strategies and automotive intelligence that keeps your wheels turning and your wallet happy. Remember, your engine is the heart of your transportation freedom. Take care of it monthly, and it'll take care of you for hundreds of thousands of miles. Drive smart, maintain smarter, and never let preventable problems steal your automotive independence.